Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today going to be doing a bit of an unboxing video and having a look at what is inside this box. So this has been sent to me by Phlizon. They've asked me to unbox it, review it and test it. This is the Phlizon Pro-2000 PHX4 240w full spectrum LED grow light. Phlizon are a company I've not used before. Well, not in recent years. Many years ago I brought one of their lights. I think they just started making grow lights at that time and it was not very good, but they've really come a long way over the past couple of years, and now with LEDs they all tend to use the Samsung LED diodes, which are the best. So they're all on par with each other, to be honest with you. But this is the Phlizon Pro 2000 and it is very well packed, already pre-assembled, so there's no assembly. And in the box you get two retractable chains and chains for the lights, so we'll have a look at them in a minute. An Ethernet cable to connect it to Wi-Fi, that way you can adjust everything on your phone. UK power cord, obviously if you're in the EU you can select the EU model. And the actual light, there's not much weight to this. It does say the weight, 6.2 kilograms is the weight, so nice and light. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Get rid of this box out the way, give us a bit of space up here. So this grow light is currently on a mega sale. It's supposed to be £169 and you can get it right now for £129. It's on a 420 sale. There are links in the description if you're interested in checking this out. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't tell you right now, go and buy one or don't. But there are links in the description if you are interested in having a look. I think the 420 offer is on for another 5 or 6 days, so hopefully by the end of this video I'll be able to tell you if it's any good. So first impression, it is nice and sturdy, not too heavy. The dimensions are 69 centimeters by 51 centimeters. The weight is 6.2 kilos or 13 pounds. There are 4 little clips to hang the hooks. You can connect up to 50 lights together, all off one plug. Not something I'd like to do, but... And if you just dim one, set all the lights to dim, and then you can use the first one to adjust them then after that. So these are nice strong wire, decent clips on it. Definitely a lot better than the other one. This light has got 4.9 star rating, so that's pretty good. It'll run for up to 50,000 hours. It's got 704 Samsung LED diodes. It's full spectrum, it'll do for veg and bloom with both spectrums. I'm assuming that is where the power cord goes in there. Flipping nails. Nope, it's over there. No idea what that one is. Probably would have been a good idea to have a look through the user manual and the warranty before starting. So we will do that right now. So the user manual, Pro Series, Phlizon, get very straightforward instructions there. Shows you how to hang it, which we've already done. It tells you about the LEDs, the IRE LEDs, how to daisy chain it, safety instructions, and all different languages there. We also get some stickers. Gotta love some stickers. So these will be going up in the grow tent probably, and then this is your warranty card. So we'll keep that safe out the way over there for now. Get this power cord set up, and then we'll have a talk about where it's going to go and what the plans are for it. So if we look on this side, you've got your in and out. I'm assuming that's for the Ethernet cable. And then I think this is where the power cord goes. There's 2 hands to unscrew that. Yeah, 3-prong power cord goes in there. And then you've got your adjustable dimmer there. So you can have it on 20, 40, 60, 80 or 100%. It's not recommended to go on 100% for small plants. Ideally 100% is for bloom, which we tend not to be doing. I only have my seedlings in the grow tents at the moment, so they won't be in there full time. We're only going to be using this grow light for probably another month, and then there'll be no need for them then. What's a silly plug? Ah, that one. Okay, there we go. Right, so that is that all set up and ready to go. We'll go out and hang this up in the grow tent in a minute and show you where it's going to go and what we're going to be doing with the other one. Anything else that I've missed out on this? No, I don't think so. Right then guys, that is going to be it for this video. I am going to be doing a follow-up video straight after this. It'll be coming straight out. As soon as I've uploaded this one, it will be coming straight on after that of setting this up in the grow tent. I'm going to use it for the cucumbers and the melons because they're the only things really left in there now. I've got a couple of other bits in there that can come out, but over the next month we're going to see how this light performs and keep the cucumbers, the melons and maybe the pumpkins in there and just see how they do under this grow light. So if you're interested to see it being turned on and set up in the grow tent, make sure you check out the next video straight after this. Thanks for watching, bye for now.